everyone. Today we will discuss about measuring quantities, and it's all about mass. So we will discuss conversion of unit of mass. We only have metric system to metric system. But before we proceed to our discussion, do not forget to like our videos, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let us discuss the definition of mass. So mass is a measure of the amount of matter in a substance or an object. The basic SI unit for mass is the kilogram, and the symbol for kilogram is kg. But smaller masses may be measured in grams, or the symbol is small letter g. For great amount of mass, the unit of measure is ton. Now, to measure mass, you would use a balance or weighing scale. So, weighing scales can be in different forms according to its use. So, there are weighing scales intended for kitchen. We have here for markets and some for heavy weights. See the sample figure or drawings of different weighing scales. So these are the different weighing scales. Okay, we'll continue our discussion about the conversion from one unit of mass to another unit. So again, for this conversion, we will use the metric converter. But this time, our reference unit is gram. So the symbol for gram is a small letter G. Then we have here for the largest unit from left to right and the smallest. So we have here kilogram, hectogram, decagram, then we have the gram, then decigram, we have the centigram, and the smallest is milligram. So let us have example for the conversion. So we have to convert 16 kilograms to grams. So we will convert 16 kilograms to grams. So let us have 16. So this is a whole number. So the location of the decimal point is before the ones unit or digit. So we have to convert from kilogram to gram. So we count the number of spaces to our metric converter. So we have here 1, 2, 3. So we will stop here because we are changing it or converting it to grams. So we have 3 spaces to the right. So the direction of the movement is to the right. Then we have 3 spaces. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this will be the new location of the decimal point. Then we will add zeros to those spaces. So the answer will be 16,000. So this will be the decimal point. But since here 16,000 is a whole number, so we can rewrite this 16,000 without the decimal point. So we can erase the decimal point. So the answer will be 16,000 grams. So 16 kilogram is equal to 16,000 grams. Now let us have example number 2. Convert 24.5 milligrams to decigram. So let us convert 24.5 milligrams to decigram. So again, we will count the number of spaces between milligram to gram in our metric converter. So we have here 24.5. So let us count the number of spaces between milligrams to decigram. So let us count. So milligrams, we have here 1, 2. So we will stop here because we are changing it to decigram. So we have 2 spaces and the direction is to the left. So we will move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left. So we have here 1, 2. So this will be the new location of the decimal point. So if this will be the new location, so we will just add 0 here before the or after the decimal point. So we will now have 0.1 245 decigrams. So 24.5 milligram is equal to 0.245 decigram. Okay, aside from using the metric converter in conversion from one unit of mass to another, we can use this conversion factor that 1 ton or 1 metric ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. So we can use this conversion factor. So let us have example number 1 for this conversion factor. So let us convert 5.3 ton to kilogram. So take note that we are changing from ton to kilogram. So if the arrangement of the conversion of unit is the same with the given conversion factor, so the operation that we're going to use is multiplication. So we will just multiply 5.3 by 1,000 because 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilogram. So we will multiply 5.3 by 1,000. So what is the product? We have here 5,300 kilogram. So 5.3 ton or 5.3 metric ton is equal to 5,300 kilograms. Okay, now let us have the second example. So let us convert 9,200 kilogram to metric ton or ton. So convert 9,200 kilogram to ton. So take note that we are converting from kilogram to ton or metric ton. This is the reversed or the opposite of the conversion from our conversion factor. So if it is the reverse or opposite of the units, so we will use the operation division. So we will divide 9,200 by 1,000 because 1 ton or 1 metric ton is equal to 1,000 kilogram. So 9,200 divided by 1,000 is equal to 9.2. So therefore, 9,200 kilogram to metric ton or to ton is equal to 9.2 ton. So this is the conversion. So let us have conversion of unit under the metric system to metric system in word problems. Let us have example number 1. Every cupcake needs 2,250 milligrams of flour. So how many grams of flour is needed for 12 cupcakes? Now, based in the given problem number 1, we have here that 1 cupcake contains 2,250 milligrams. And it says in the problem that what will be the weight of the 12 cupcakes in grams. So this is the problem. Okay, again, 1 cupcake contains 2,250 milligrams and the weight of the 12 cupcakes asking in the given problem is the weight of the 12 cupcakes in grams. So first, since the problem is asking for grams, we need to convert 2,250 milligrams to grams. So we will convert 2,250 milligrams to grams. So since this is 2,250, so this is the location of the decimal point. So let us count the number of spaces from milligram to grams. So let us count. So how many spaces? We have here 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 spaces and the direction is to the left. So we will move the decimal point 3 spaces to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this will be the new location of the decimal point. So the answer will be 2.250. So since 2.250 is the same with 2.25, so it is equal to 2.25 grams. But the problem is asking for the 12 cupcakes. So what will be the weight of the 12 cupcakes? So we need to multiply 2.25 by 12. And what is the product if we multiply 2.25 by 12? So the answer will be 27. So the answer is 27 grams. Okay? So I hope you understand the given problem.
Our example number 2 for the conversion of unit for mass. So we have here, in your village, the garbage collector collects 980 kilogram of garbage every day. How many metric ton of garbage in 30 days can they collect?
Based in the second problem, the garbage collector collects 980 kilograms of garbage every day. So this is per day. And the problem is asking for the weight of the garbage in ton for 30 days. So the problem is asking for the weight of the garbage in ton for 30 days. So if this will be the problem, we need to convert 980 kilogram to ton. And to convert it, we will use the conversion factor that 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilogram. Since our conversion is from kilogram to ton, so this is the reverse of our conversion factor, it means that the operation that we're going to use is division. So we will divide 980 by 1,000. And the quotient of 980 divided by 1,000 is equal to 0.980. So the answer will be 0.980 ton. But since the problem is asking for the weight of the garbage in ton for 30 days, so we need to multiply 0.980 by 30. So what will be the product of 0.980 and 30? So it is equal to 29. So it is equal to 29.4. So the answer will be 29.4 ton. So the garbage collector collects 29.4 ton for 30 days.
Let us have example number 3. Your mother asked you to buy 2.5 kilogram of sugar. Each pack of sugar in the store weighs 250 grams. How many packs of sugar will you buy?
Okay, let us discuss the solution for problem number 3. So based in the given, we have here 2.5 kilogram of sugar. And it says in the problem that each pack weighs 250 grams. So the only sugar that can be bought in the store is by pack, and each pack weighs 250 grams. So the question is asking for the number of packs of sugar. So this will be our problem. So since the mother needs to have 2.5 kilogram of sugar, and the store can only have BiPAC that weighs 250 grams. So it means that we need to change 2.5 kilograms to grams. So we have 2.5 kilograms to grams. Okay? So let us count the number of spaces from kilogram to gram. So let us erase this movement. So let us move from kilogram to gram. So we have here kilogram. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we need to move the decimal point 3 times to the right. So this will be our number. So this is the decimal point. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this will be the new location of the decimal point. So we add 2 zeros for our spaces. So the answer will be 2,500. And this is the new location of the decimal point. But since this is a whole number, so we can now eliminate or erase the decimal point. So the answer will be 2,500 grams. But the mother, okay, is asking for 2,500 grams, and we can only buy sugar per pack that weighs 250 grams. So what are we going to do to find the number of packs of sugar that the person needs to buy? So it means that 2,500 will be divided by 250. So 2,500 divided by 250. So why is it divided by 250? Because the mother needs 2,500 grams of sugar, okay, and we can only buy per pack that weighs 250. So we need to divide it by 250 so that we can know the number of packs of sugar. So what is the quotient of 2,500 divided by 250? So the quotient is 10. So we need to buy 10 packs of sugar. 10 packs of sugar that weighs 250 grams. I hope you understand our discussion under the mass. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless.